Hey Car TorqueX fam, hope everybody's doing okay. Anyway, this is just a sneak peek into some of the many projects I've been working on lately. One of which happens to be the BMW G81 M3 competition touring xDrive. Now it goes without saying that I'll still give you the full in-depth review at some point in the coming weeks, but I'm currently filming 2 press cars back to back at the moment, so those reviews will have to go out before the touring. But while we wait, I thought we could all enjoy a quick POV of this monstrosity of a vehicle. But first, stats on the car. So this is powered by the fire-breathing twin-turbo inline 6-cylinder petrol engine, codenamed the S58. In touring form, it produces the same 390 kilowatts and 650 newtons to all 4 wheels via an 8-speed ZF automatic gearbox. It weighs a smidge under 2 tons, so it's about 88 kilograms heavier than the sedan, and as a result, that adds 1/10 of a second to its claimed 0 to 100 km/h sprint time. So this does it in about 3.6 seconds. The exhaust note sounds a little different to the sedan M3 as well, and that's because it's essentially a longer vehicle, and so the exhaust itself under the car is a little longer too, so it should make for quite an interesting time in the car. Now that all of the admin stuff is out of the way, let's enjoy a quick drive. That's a nice GT3. Now, I've driven just about every M3 of the current generation at this point except for the CS, which I'll also sample as soon as I can get my hands on one. And the more I drive these things, the more I want one. But BMW is currently cooking up an xDrive variant of the G87 M2 to be released in August of this year. It has the same S58 engine, although slightly detuned, and I believe that thing is going to surprise us in a very big way. So I don't want to cast my mind on an M3 without having driven the xDrive M2. So I'll do a test drive as soon as it lands in South Africa while my memory of the M3 is still fresh in my mind, so that I can see which one is actually quicker. Anyway, if you happen to be interested in this specific M3 competition touring, then reach out to Ngamla7 from BMW Sandton. I'll leave his socials in the description box below. Thank you for watching. Until next time, take care.